I'm Tamara Brajovic and I'm a biologist, but I'm General Director in Ministry of Ecological, Spatial Planning and Urbanism in Montenegro, in the capital town of Podgorica. The biggest restoration work is definitely our work on wetland Ulcinj salina, where we had long years before the problem with protect the value of this of that site, but now fortunately we made the new steps and we are go further to establish the new manager structure with the TBD company and with the new director of that company. The restoration work we are so proud it definitely is our work on protect the wetland protection zone or site in Ulcinj salina in municipality of Ulcinj in south of Montenegro. And we had a lot of challenges with that site, but which is the Ramsar site. But now we have a new situation. We go further successfully, and we prepare the new action. And now we have in a process of prepare restoration of the band on site. The bands are the very important things to solve and to provide the hydrological level on sites, because the hydrological level is important to protect the value of habitats, especially of habitats of birds. I want to suggest that to the future manager is to be connect with and to collaborate with all stakeholders, to especially collaborate with the NGO which had made efforts to protect this area and which provide until now, and I'm so sure in further provide the funds of restoration action and to protect that value on the site. And I think definitely that's too important to all of us which are involved in the process be connect and collaborate together. For me, MedWet Managers Network is success, collaboration, connection and support.